Hello, I'm Mike Meeg. We are here to test the ZW transformer, that's ZWR, owned and operated by the Manchester Model Railroad Association, clearly the finest layout in the world. And I would like to first plug in the unit. We've done some modification here, correcting the laminations by making them tighter and epoxying the C section and the I section together. First, I'd like to do an audio test just by trying to snap my fingers. That's my fingers being snapped. And, or perhaps let me just tap something just to give you an idea of the audio level. Now we're going to plug in the unit. It has a new cord which could be reversed or modified if necessary. We're plugging it in, and we're following the cord back to the transformer. The light is on, meaning the power is on. I've connected the leads to this handle, and we're going to follow the leads to a meter. I'm going to move the handle forward, and I'm registering what appears to be 20 volts. And now we're going to do the same test with another handle, and that will also be connected in this manner on this digital El Cheapo meter I got from Harbor Freight, which was made outside the United States but appears to work anyway. We're hooking that up. And if you look at the connections, it appears to be registering 0.6 volts because I didn't connect it right. But now it's up to 20.6. Okay, listen to the transformer. I'm going to bring the camera close. Listen if you can. Okay, part two of the test of the transformer. See if you can hear it. It's now going to be connected with these clip leads. It's already been connected to this handle. Let's see what happens. This is a load test. We will now try the load test with the other handles. This handle is now connected, this inner handle. And finally, the end handle is being connected and tested. That's this handle here. It's connected to the engine. Stand back a bit so you can see it. The camera is a few inches away from the transformer. Can you hear anything? Thank you. This concludes the test of the MMRA ZWR transformer for the finest railroad layout, model railroad layout in the world. Thank you. Hello, we're again testing the ZWR. This time, as you listen carefully to it, well, you won't hear a thing because the power's not on. Let's turn the power on. Can you hear anything? Okay, we're now going to test each function, and we're going to be running our Pennsylvania Railroad congressional set with it. Let's connect it to the first set of terminals and see what happens. Note that Lionel engine has 2 motors in it. It's a dual motor engine. Let's try this particular handle and see what happens. Oh, sorry. I didn't connect the ground. Here we go. All right, let's move the controls to this inner handle. See how it goes. We're now using this inner handle. We're now connecting it to the last and the end handles. Again, listen carefully to the transformer. What I'm going to do is put the camera on top of touch the camera to the transformer itself. I don't know if you can hear anything or what you can hear, but that's what the transformer sounds like now. And I'm speaking at a normal tone of voice, so you can use that as an audio comparison.